Hello, so here is where we have to sand it over here. That's how it looks after it's dried. Okay, it should be dry now. Yeah, it is. Okay, so we get the sandpaper. We can't put the electric sander on now because everybody's sleeping. So we put this on here. The hand. As you can see, this is very hard stuff. It's turned very hard. It's very hard to sand it now. It's not impossible, you can't sand it. We might take it from here, over here. And we wait till the morning for the electric sander to use the electric sander when my family wakes up. And they're in the house. I'm in the garage at the moment, and they're in the house and they're sleeping. So you can continue that with a hand if you like. It's going to take a long time with a hand. Or you can go with the electric sander as we're going to do in the morning. Yeah. Okay.